Yo, how's everybody doing? Yeah. Alright, so we're back in the Taurus. We're running smooth. I hear no humming, I hear no grumbling, I hear no complaining, and I definitely don't smell any egg smells. So the final update, which I'll probably do later on, so you can see everything. The catalytic converter has been changed. Thank God I was under 80,000 miles. Other than that, I'd had to pick up the tab myself. But the dealership changed the cat out because they're supposed to have warranty for the catalytic converters before 8 years or 80,000 miles. And so I was under, actually I was under both of them. The car is a 2013. I bought it in 2016. But it's not when I bought it. It's when the car first was in production. So that's done, and then the motor mounts are good. Spark plugs are now good. The engine and air and all that stuff was cleaned out. I actually could feel the difference. The dealership did all of the good cleaning stuff. So finally I can say at 79,000 miles that my car is running good. I just have to take care of it a little bit better, as I kind of haven't been, maybe, I think. I don't know. Not too many more 0 to 60s. What I'm gonna actually do is see if I can get this baby on a dyno and just have it done once and for all. Because the reason I like to do hard takeoffs is with the app Torque Pro, I can see how much horsepower I'm getting. But if I put it on the dyno, if they allow me to do it with the stock airbox and then the cold air intake, I'll have a better understanding of how many horsepower I'm producing, and then we can go from there. So that's a good update. Under 3 minutes. Thank you. You guys have a wonderful day. You'll see me in another video.